Well, welcome to Delacroix. This is our rendition of a duck camp, fishing camp from down in Delacroix Island. I've always been hunting and fishing there, and I really came to know food and become a chef because I was exposed to so much good cooking, camp cooking as a kid. And so I've always wanted to create this restaurant where we serve like real rustic Louisiana cuisine, the way that my grandmother cooked, you know, the cooking from the heart. Nothing prepackaged, is all very, very seasonal. I have a shrimper friend, Lance Nacio, that saves all my soft shell shrimp for me. I have a snapper fisherman from down in the parish that saves all the snapper cheeks for me. And so we bring those to the menu. We've got the raw bar with a selection of Louisiana oysters and shrimp and crabs, and you name it. If it comes from South Louisiana, it's gonna find a place on our menu. Simple, rustic Louisiana fare that in a setting that's unlike anything else. It's just, we're overlooking the beautiful Mississippi River, and we've done our best to really kind of replicate that Louisiana coastal camp atmosphere.
John Besh, very dear friend of St. Bernard Parish, made contact with me, and he asked if I would help him to find people who could represent St. Bernard Parish and our Isleños Museum complex to talk about the food at Delacroix Island. So I went ahead and I was able to find Don Mellerine, who does our caldo, and then Sharon did her wonderful stuffed crabs and tortas and other things that are very typical there.
Bill Highland has just been a godsend to us, introducing me to people that we had come to my house and like cook with me. Teach me your recipes so that I know how to better honor you when I open my restaurant. And that's all that I want. I want to honor St. Bernard and the people from down the road, making sure that we cook things from the heart that really respect them.
I think that John and his team have done a wonderful job of representing the family closeness of St. Bernard Parish and the comfortable informality that St. Bernard has. It's going to be a great way to present our parish to people all over the globe.
You can't beat Dustwater.